Today I am talking about longer, fuller, and darker lashes, and honestly, you can ditch these bad boys. We don't need them anymore. Why? Because there is a new product out there that can give it to you naturally, and who doesn't want natural lashes that are long, full, dark, and look almost as if they are false lashes. I'm talking about Rodan and Field's Lash Boost. This little tube, even smaller than like my mascara tube, costs about $150. Who has that much money to throw on your lashes and you're just hoping that it'll work? I was skeptical, but I heard good things from a bunch of other people who are on air. A bunch of other female newscasters said that they really like this, they like swear by it. So what exactly is Lash Boost? It's an eyelash conditioning serum. You put it on nightly. You just do one coat. Let me just open this tube. I'm not gonna put it on because you're supposed to clean off your makeup first. And just one coat across those lash lines, just the top ones. Your results really may vary on what you end up getting, but I would say just give it some time. After a few months, I started to definitely notice a difference, and like I said, I used this product religiously every single night for about 3 months. Once you kind of reach that lash length that you're going for, maybe it's dramatic or maybe not, you'll kind of reach that maintenance stage where your lashes may not look like they're growing anymore, but you want to keep using this Rodan and Field's Lash Boost because, you know, just like anything else, our hair and trying to think, our skin, not the same thing, but well, we lose eyelashes. Okay, so we lose eyelashes, and obviously you need to keep them strong and keep them growing, because when you do grow new ones, they're just going to be shorter unless you're still putting this on there. So you can use this about once a week after. And again, I know $150 for this small tube, but like I said, it lasted me about 6 months, and that breaks down to about $25 a month. So I know I look a little bit different right now. I have wet hair, no makeup on, different clothes, and we're in a different location. That's because I wanted to show you how Lash Boost works and how you apply it, which I do right after I get out of the shower. So first off, you have to clean off all your makeup and make sure that your eyelashes are dry. What you do is take one swipe and you just put it across the eyelid, so one swipe for each eye. So you really start to see a difference in about 8 weeks. That's when I saw a difference, and the results are pretty incredible. That's why I just stick to using this. Again, you put this on pretty much every single night with no makeup on, and then you have to, the only thing is that you wait 90 seconds, let it dry, and then you can go to bed. So if you like Lash Boost, liked this video, make sure you do like this video, and also subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on when I post a new video, either about beauty, makeup, maybe even see an appearance by Fred, who is now laying on the ground. So always tune in. Thanks for watching.